In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this JAMB economics problems under the subtopic partnership in business organization. So guys, we have 550 questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a form of business organization which is characterized by limited authority and liability of the individual owners is we have joint stock company, sole proprietorship, partnership, cooperative society. So guys, the correct answer to this question is option A, which is joint stock company. The next question is this one. It says the survival of partnership depends on we have the goodwill of the partners, the managerial ability of the partners, access to finance, political stability. The right answer is option A, which is the goodwill of the partners. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following is not a source of funding for partnership? We have issuance of shares, we have benefit from credit facilities, reinvestment of profits, contribution from members. The right answer is option A, which is issuance of shares. Next question is this one. It says a characteristic common to partnership and sole proprietorship is limited liability, unlimited liability, accessibility to loans, transferability of shares. The right answer is option B. Take note of this guys, which is unlimited liability. The last question for end this video will be this one. It says a major disadvantage of partnership business is we have large capital outlay, difficulty in the transfer of shares, distrust among members, limited liability. The right answer is option B, which is difficulty in the transfer of shares. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving the subtopic partnership in business organization. We practice with 5 questions for this subtopic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions as regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and WASI. Alright, so having done this, click on the next above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.